Hello everyone. Let's dive into the JCHICI 4-port DisplayPort KVM switch. If you're juggling multiple computers and tired of the cable clutter, this might be your solution. This KVM switch allows you to control up to 4 computers using a single keyboard, mouse, and monitor. The highlight here is the support for 8K resolution at 60 Hz. If you have a high-end monitor and demand the best visual fidelity, this KVM switch delivers. It also supports HDR10 and Dolby Atmos, ensuring a top-notch audio-visual experience. The unit is DP 1.4 compliant. Switching between computers is flexible with 5 different modes to choose from. You can use the buttons on the unit itself, a mouse, keyboard hotkeys, a wired remote, or even set it to auto switch. This level of control is great for different workflows and preferences. The JCHICI KVM switch uses USB 2.0 for keyboard and mouse connectivity. The package includes 4 USB cables, which is a nice touch. The device operates on 5 volts and draws 0.98 amps. The physical dimensions are 6 by 2.6 by 1.3 inches. The switch type is push button, and the contacts are normally open. The use of gold as a material is not specified for what part, but it is listed as a material. The unit features terminal screws for secure connections.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.